I am Lucas from TelcoBridges support team. In this unit, you will learn what is unique about TelcoBridges products' unified design. Let's first look at TelcoBridges unified architecture. All TelcoBridges products from each of our family and also each model inside each families share a common hardware architecture, a common feature set, and a common configuration interface, which bring a single training for all of our products. Now let's take a look inside one of our units, and we will take the TMG800 and 3200 as an example. Inside every unit, you will find two different hardware components, the host part and the telecom hardware part. Both components are linked using a control path, which is using Gigi interface. The T-Control operating software is running on the host and communicating using the control path with the firmware running on the telecom hardware. The T-Control operating software is responsible for the call control and routing, operation administration and management, also provide a GUI, while the firmware running on telecom hardware is handling signaling and media. The TDM interface and the voice over IP interface sits on the telecom hardware. Now let's take those two components and put them inside different units. So we put the host and it becomes a server, and the telecom hardware, the TMG7800 unit. The TMG7800 controller and the TMG7800 unit would communicate through an external control path using Ethernet Gigi switches. Now, take multiple 7800 units controlled by two 78 controllers, two servers, and you get a fully scalable architecture. So let's look inside one unit regarding the signaling and the media path. First, the signaling path coming from the TDM or the voice over IP side is reaching the signaling stacks running on the telecom hardware, while on the host you get the T-Control operating software receiving signaling messages from the telecom hardware and then processing routing the calls. So you get a distributed processing. Part of the processing is done by the signaling stacks and part of the processing is done by the T-Control operating software. Now let's look at the media. The media is on the TDM side is processed by the TDM hardware, while on the voice over IP side is processed by the voice over IP accelerated hardware. So you get the media hardware accelerated. Next, we're going to look at our unified software. Our T-Control operating software, or T-Control OS, is far the most important software in your TelcoBridges product. It brings the magic to life. It's built over TelcoBridges Toolpak software framework. It was previously named TMG Control, but since the last release, 2.10, it's been renamed T-Control. Note that it's the same software from TMG Control to T-Control, only the name changed. You get the same software running on all of our products. In the T-Control overview course, we will cover more details about internal architecture of the T-Control operating software. We have a same user interface for all of our products. That brings a unified configuration flow for all of our products.